24 species in genus Achimenes. My love affair with Achimenes. Have always been drawn to the vibrant beauty and intriguing diversity of the plant world. Among my many horticultural passions, the genus Achimenes holds a special place in my heart. These Central American natives, belonging to the Gesneriaceae family, are a testament to nature's artistry, boasting a captivating array of colors and forms. A kaleidoscope of colors. Achimenes, often referred to as magic flowers or hot water plants, are rhizomatous perennials that produce a profusion of blossoms in a spectrum of hues. From the fiery reds and oranges of Achimenes erecta to the delicate pinks and purples of Achimenes longiflora, there's an Achimenes to suit every taste. The flowers themselves are a marvel of intricate design, often resembling miniature orchids or pansies. Their velvety petals and contrasting throats create a mesmerizing display that enchants any onlooker. Diverse forms and foliage. Beyond their floral splendor, Achimenes also exhibit a fascinating variety in their foliage. Some species, like Achimenes dulcis, have lush, deep green leaves, while others, such as Achimenes candida, possess silvery, hairy foliage that adds a touch of whimsy. The plant's growth habit is equally diverse, ranging from upright and bushy to trailing and cascading, making them suitable for various garden settings and container arrangements. A closer look at Achimenes species. The genus Achimenes encompasses a rich tapestry of species, each with its unique charm and characteristics. Achimenes admirabilis, known for its large, lavender-blue flowers with a yellow throat. Achimenes antirrhina produces vibrant red flowers with a yellow throat, resembling miniature snapdragons. Achimenes brevifolia features petite, white flowers with a yellow throat and attractive, dark green foliage. Achimenes candida showcases pure white flowers with a yellow throat and distinctive, silvery-haired leaves. Achimenes setoana displays striking, deep red flowers with a contrasting yellow throat. Achimenes dulcis produces fragrant, white flowers with a yellow throat and lush, deep green foliage. Achimenes erecta boasts scarlet red flowers with a yellow throat and an upright growth habit. Achimenes fimbriata features delicate, pale lavender flowers with fringed petals. Achimenes grandiflora, known for its large, showy flowers in shades of purple and pink. Achimenes heterophylla exhibits variable flower colors, ranging from red to purple, and attractive, variegated foliage. Achimenes longiflora produces long, tubular flowers in shades of purple, blue, and white. Achimenes misera, characterized by its small, white flowers with a yellow throat and compact growth habit. Achimenes patens displays vibrant red flowers with a yellow throat and a spreading growth habit. Achimenes pedunculata features unique, yellow flowers with red markings and a trailing growth habit. Achimenes skinneri produces large, showy flowers in shades of pink and purple with a contrasting yellow throat. See full list at monsterholic.com. Cultivating Achimenes, a rewarding endeavor. Growing Achimenes can be an incredibly rewarding experience for any plant enthusiast. These beauties thrive in bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. They prefer consistently moist conditions during their growing season, but require a dry dormancy period in the winter. Providing them with these conditions will ensure a bountiful display of their exquisite blooms. The allure of Achimenes. For me, Achimenes represent more than just beautiful flowers. They embody the resilience and adaptability of nature, thriving in diverse environments and captivating with their vibrant colors. They are a reminder of the endless wonders the plant kingdom holds, waiting to be discovered and cherished. As I continue to explore the world of Achimenes, I am constantly amazed by their beauty and diversity, and I eagerly anticipate the new discoveries and horticultural adventures that await.